What's going on, RicoCap family and traders? Today is July the 5th, Friday, day after July 4th, and I wanted to go over just our single trade we made today on QQQ. And look how beautiful SPY in the market QQQ ripped up today. Now, today was a very interesting one, kind of how it started. And I want to go over that and kind of my thoughts on the position we took and how we banked off that. So Wednesday we completely ripped up crazy and all the way up there. So July 4th market was closed, of course, and so my thoughts are this: QQ didn't make a fresh supply zone up here. We did reject up here, but it's not enough for a supply zone just yet, a RicoCap zone. So my thought was this: as long as we stay above 491.17, which is pretty much the high of QQQ for Wednesday, if we just open above that and stay above it, calls can work above, and that's exactly what I said in the game plan right up here. So as long as we get above 491.17, more upside is good. I'm looking for dips for calls, and so I gave out the game plan, but since today is Lotto Friday, we went with a Lotto instead, and of course we ripped like crazy and banked off that. So this is my thoughts going into the trade and how we did it. So overnight we gapped up a little bit. This is just due to kind of the fluctuation from Thursday, July 4th. Kind of the market, still trading, not still trading, but our futures, moving. So I believe this was just kind of due to that case. So Friday pre-market, we kind of see we're up here. We had a little bit of a gap there. We ended up closing it kind of near pre-market, so that was good. I didn't think we would end up dipping, but I wanted to see how we would open. So that was the huge, major factor for me. So notice how we stayed above our 491.17 blue line here, and that's all I'm looking for. And we're wicking off it like crazy pre-market. Another thing is I like that the hourly opened up right here above our blue line, which was above that high, and that's all I'm looking for calls. Super simple to keep our odds. I like my odds, and to keep it super simple, I want to go calls and just see what happens, especially on the Lotto Friday. So hourly opened up. I'm going through the checklist. I'm seeing that in my head pre-market. I'm like check. Hourly opens up, check. And so we got that open. So the 15-minute opened, and I wasted zero time here on my private Twitter. I alerted the trade. I'm talking 1 minute in the market open. Right here, 493 for $1. It went small Lotto, and just see what we can do here. And of course, you can see how it worked out. Like I said, we slammed those 493 calls for $100 a contract, and they ended up rocketing here all the way up to $340 a contract plus. So absolutely killed it. My thoughts in this right here: we took it right at open, and we got that mean push up already. So this is already up a good $1.50, almost $2 from entry. Our calls are already up 50%. So we're trimming a little bit, and we're just kind of seeing how it goes. Up here, where I ended up selling most. I didn't know if we would go higher or not, but I did keep one runner because technically this trade is not anywhere near invalidated. It didn't even come near our stop yet. We did have some drawdown right here, but that was so brief. So right here would have been stop. If we ended up opening under 491.17 on a 15-minute or higher candle, that would have been a stop out. Just probably push us back into range, and I would have looked for other trades. We never even got that. So, of course, it just kept grinding up. Also, at open, when I was watching premiums, I'm talking 20, 30 seconds in, I'm watching price, and I immediately noticed how they're piling into calls, and the premiums weren't budging at all, especially if price went down. So right here on this candle, you'll see price did dip. Now, in that time period right there, where it did dip on the 5-minute, I had to get on the 5-minute to show y'all. Where it dipped right here, premiums didn't even really budge right there on Lottos, which was a huge sign to me. And I was like, okay, they're gonna rip this. And so that's why when we first opened up and I saw price action moving with the options, I kind of noticed that already. That's a huge sign for me. I noticed that on big day, so I slammed those calls, and it worked out perfectly for us as it rode off into the sunset there. Couldn't ask for a better Friday. We absolutely killed it this week. And I just wanted to keep it simple and do less. I didn't want to slam a million positions, even though you could have, especially with AMD ripping. Meta was a monster today. If you want to take a look at that real quick, monster. So SPY 2 pretty much held that demand and ripped. So easy day right there. I'm pretty sure we're entering a zone up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and chart that later. But I just want to show y'all our trade on QQ and kind of my thoughts, how we took the trade and how I went about it. And it was pretty easy, kept it simple, went small on it, and won big. So that's the key game, especially on a Friday, guys. I don't want you guys going crazy on lottos. That's what I stress my team all the time. Size down on Lotto Friday, and let's just have some fun. Let's be a little bit more riskier and kind of let the shoulders drop a little bit on a Friday. Monday through Thursday we're very tight with it, and we stick to our rules. Here I like to play with profits and just kind of just let things run, or see where they go, because something like this could easily make you a lot of money just off a small amount. So very easy today, very easy all week. We absolutely killed it. Saw a lot of traders on Twitter over here trying to short this. I don't know why you would, but it was good. So if you're looking for just the zones and having that game plan to get access to the zones right here, $10 a week to get these zones game plans. All you do is you get the chart right. You just go to your charts, add them on there real quick, right? Just boom, boom, and you'll know where buyers and sellers are at, things like that. I like to go a little step further and draw, that rectangle and just know where we are if there's buyers or sellers. So $10 a week gets you that edge, so you're not caught off guard and you know where we are in the market, and be on the winning side of your trades. But that's all we took for today, just a single QQ position, and it absolutely ripped there. So follow the main Twitter if you would like, RicoCapital. I'm giving out free stuff on there, Q&As. I'm doing a lot for the community, so show some support, guys. Show some love. Like, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow that as well. Sign up for the services. If you need anything, let me know. I'm here to help. And of course, the more you learn, the more you earn. So appreciate you guys watching this quick video. Just want to show you our game plan, kind of how we went about it today, how we kept it super simple, and how it absolutely worked just by doing less, just letting it go. So very easy day today, and it was very fun. I know a lot of members made money with me, and that's all I could ask for. So hope you all have a great weekend. I wanted to show y'all our trade today and how it worked out perfectly. So like, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see you on the next one.